Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw BNB from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB assets securely between exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. With crypto platforms evolving, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make sure you're up to date and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a verified account on both Bitmart and Gemini. You'll need your BNB balance ready in your Bitmart wallet and the exact wallet address from Gemini handy. Remember, double-checking addresses is crucial to prevent any loss of funds. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and select BNB from your list of holdings. Next, find the Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the asset page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. In the recipient address field, paste your Gemini deposit address for BNB. Be precise here. Gemini might require a specific network like BEP20, so confirm that matches what Bitmart supports in 2025. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the network fees. Aim to withdraw enough to cover those plus a little extra. Review all the info carefully, then hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. After that, keep an eye on your transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into Gemini and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and stay vigilant against phishing. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.